Hi friends, this video shows how to format this SanDisk SSD storage as removable storage. So we can connect this SanDisk SSD in other mobile devices or laptop. So I will show you how we can format using this Google TV streamer. So here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable, and this SanDisk SSD is connected to this USB hub using this black cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. This is a setup. After that, let me go to all settings, go to system, go down, go to storage, and here you can see SanDisk drive, USB drive 1 TB. That is the name of this SanDisk that I connected. Let me select this SanDisk drive, and here you can see option to format as removable storage. If you are not able to see this option, format as removable storage, first you have to format it as internal storage. So if you are connecting this SanDisk SSD for the first time, you would get an option to format as internal storage or device storage. So first you have to format as device or internal storage. After that you get this option, format as removable storage. You can select it, then format, select OK, done. So now we can see that SanDisk has been moved down to this removable storage section. Earlier it was here under device storage. Now you can see it has been moved to this removable storage section, and its size shows 1 TB. Let me select this. It's showing different option here to format as device storage. So if you want, you can again convert it back to device storage. So this way we can format. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.